50,110. I mean, it's not just reached 50,000, it has conquered it with such elan. Okay, maybe I'm speaking too soon. 50,019 now, 50,040. But yes, we have, I think, remained for a full minute.
It is a new high for Dalal Street as Sensex touched the historic 50,000 mark in intraday trading. In spite of COVID-19 induced lockdown, volatility in the market along with the economic disruption, the BSE index has been able to shed all the factors holding it back and reach the dizzying heights. Sensex had hit the milestone of the 40,000 mark on May 23, 2019 in intraday trade.
Well, market's still on a very strong footing, you will have to say. The Sensex well past the 40,000 mark.
But the unprecedented price action in the stock markets in 2020 concluded with benchmark indices closing with returns of about 15% each on year-on-year basis. Record highs early last year were wiped off with the outbreak of COVID-19. After seeing a sudden fall in February and March 2020, a recovery rally was seen in the second half of the year, backed by the hope of a vaccine and abundant liquidity. Vaccine rollout continues to support the market sentiments. The rally continued into 2021 with positive domestic and global sentiments added another 2% to the markets in the first week of January. Going ahead, sentiments are expected to remain positive due to the earnings season. With retail inflation cooling down, there's a chance of RBI lowering the benchmark interest rate further. With the economy likely turning a corner, microeconomics data will dictate the upcoming trend. But one of the top reasons for the bull action in the market in 2020 was a huge influx of foreign money, estimated to be over rupees 1 lakh crore. Indian equities received record monthly inflow of over rupees 70,000 crore rupees in November after the US elections in the form of foreign buying. The trend continued in December. FII inflows for 2020 were strong at 23.4 billion US dollars, the highest since 2012. Motilal Oswal said in a report. Apart from that, liquidity boost, low rate regime and healthy corporate earnings by index heavyweights kept the market resilient throughout the year. Which stocks supported the rally? The IT and healthcare stocks led the rally till August. While healthcare was directly in focus due to the pandemic, IT stocks got a boost as India pushed digitalization. The BSE Information Technology Index surged 47% and the Healthcare Index climbed 57% in 2020. Stocks like Adani Green Energy, Tanla Platforms and Dixon Technologies surged the most on BSE 500 Index. Shares of Adani Green Energy increased by over 2,000% between May 23, 2019 to January 12, 2021 as per data. Tanla Platforms also jumped over 1,500% and Dixon Technologies jumped 552%. Small and mid-cap stocks also outperformed in the rally, with some experts see no signs of any slowing down. Stock market divorced from the real economy? Well, the Reserve Bank of India's last financial stability report pointed out the growing disconnect between the financial markets and the real economy. This defines the bullish trend in the markets despite the pandemic-induced economic downturn. The report says that the financial markets were cushioned by the abundant liquidity in the banking system, lowering of the cost of funds and regulatory forbearance in asset classification of specified loans amid the pandemic. Will the rally continue? Some experts suggest that while the rally might continue, the momentum might slow down in 2021. Also, some consolidation can't be ruled out. Last year, ahead of the run-up of the Union Budget 2020, bulls took over the market, but the run was short-lived. While analysts don't see the year repeating itself due to the COVID-19 pandemic, some correction can't be denied in an overbought market. But a vertical fall is unexpected without a major downturn.